It was morning, and the new sun sparkled gold across the ripples of a gentle sea. A mile from shore, a fishing boat chimed the water, and the word for breakfast frog flashed through the air till a crowd of 1,000 seagulls came to touch and fight for bits of food. It was another busy day beginning, but way off alone out by himself beyond boat and shore. Jonathan Livingston seagull was practicing. 100 feet in the sky he lowered his webbed feet, lifted his beak and strained to hold a painful hard twisting curve through his wings. The curve meant that he would fly slowly, and now he slowed until the wind was a whisper in his face, until the ocean stood still beneath him. He narrowed his eyes and in fierce concentration held his breath, forced one single more inch of curve. Then his feathers ruffled, he stuttered and fell. Seagulls, as you know, never falter, never stall. To stall in the air is for them disgrace, and it is dishonor. But Jonathan Livingston seagull, unashamed, stretching his wings again in that trembling hard curve, slowing, and stalling once more, was no ordinary bird. Most girls don't bother to learn more than the simplest fact of flight, how to get from shore to food and back again. For most girls, it is not flying that matters but eating. For this girl, thought it was not eating that mattered but flight. More than anything else, Jonathan Livingston seagull loved to fly. This kind of thinking he found is not the way to make oneself popular with other birds. Even his parents were dismayed as Jonathan spent whole days alone making hundreds of low-level grades experiments. He didn't know why, for instance, but when he flew at altitudes less than half his wingspan above the water, he could stay in the air longer with less effort. His glides ended not with the usual feet down splash into the sea, but with a long flat wake as he touched the surface with his feet tightly streamlined against his body. When he began sliding into feet up, landing on the beach, and then pacing the length of his legs in the sand, his parents were very much dismayed indeed. "Why, John, why?" his mother asked. "Why is it so hard to like the rest of the flock, John? Why can't you leave low flying to the precious, the albatross? Why don't you eat, son, your bone and feathers?" "I don't mind being bone and feathers, Mom. I just want to know what I can do in the air, and what I can't. That's all. I just want to know. See here, Jonathan, said his father, not unkindly.